Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a simple yet essential update on how to prevent Gmail from accessing your camera on your PC. With privacy concerns on the rise, it's vital to stay in control of what permissions your applications have. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to gmail.com. Log into your account as you usually would. Once you're on the Gmail homepage, take a look at the address bar at the top. Right next to the web address, you'll see a small icon that indicates the site's information. Go ahead and click on that icon. A drop-down menu will appear, showing you some details about the site. From here, you'll want to select Site Settings. This will direct you to a new page specifically for managing permissions for Gmail. Now, you're in the Site Settings menu. Scroll down to find the section labeled Permissions. Here, you'll see a list of various permissions Gmail can access, including the camera. To safeguard your privacy, look for the camera permission and disable it. This action will prevent Gmail from accessing your camera in the future, giving you more control over your personal space and how your data is used. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully restricted Gmail from using your camera on your PC. Keeping your privacy intact is crucial in today's digital landscape, and taking these small measures makes a big difference. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on protecting your online privacy. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.